All right, hey guys, Travis here with Modern Bay. As you guys know, we do Subaru conversions in vintage Volkswagen bay window buses, just like this one. So you guys probably saw the first video when El Dorito here first came to us. He was in need of some help, to be totally bluntly honest. Not just the engine, but a lot of everything else. Right here, this is insane. I don't even want to drive home with this guy. And it feels so good to sit here right now because we've been driving this guy around and it is just crushing it. It is amazing to just turn the key, like it feels like a half turn, it fires right up, breathes to life, and this thing just scoots. It gets down the road. There's no question of, is it gonna make it? Am I gonna end up on the tow truck compared to having the old air-cooled motor in there? This thing, we took it up way up into the mountains like we usually do, and on really steep grades, and it performed flawlessly. This thing is just, it's awesome. I am super excited about it, and the best part is it's kind of bittersweet for me because once a bus has been at the shop for a little bit, it kind of grows on us, and when it leaves we get a little sad, to be totally honest, but it's bittersweet. So we're gonna see El Dorito leave the shop, but it's amazing because it's gonna get to go to the family that owns it, and they're gonna get to use this guy for years to come. That's like the big reward for me and for us, here at the shop. And I'm not just saying that. That actually is. Like when we get photos from people on the road out using their buses, it puts the biggest smile on my face because it's like that's why we do what we do. The owners of El Dorito are flying in tomorrow morning, picking them up at the airport like we usually do when people come to get their bus, and they're driving it back over 1,000 miles home. Yeah, what's up, guys? Higher. There you go, yep. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Give us a shout if you have any questions, thoughts, suggestions, anything under the sun, put it in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching.